On Street Food Chef channel today, we're going to be cooking a Balinese fish head soup. It is a wonderful dish and it is typically Balinese. We focused a lot on Balinese cuisine on the recent shows, but the most important thing with this one is we're going to be using this wonderful fish head. And if you don't like the fish head, you can also change it to a little bit of prawn, and we can also do a little bit of bakso or fish ball in there, or just straight fillets. As always in Balinese cuisine, the main thing is the bumbu gede, which we have right here. And in the bumbu gede, it's the usual components, and you can also see it in a lot of my other videos. So, first thing to start off with is, let's get your stock nice and hot. I've used fish stock, but it's okay just to use water or a little bit of chicken stock. Take a little bit of tamarind that I have here, a little bit of bumbu gede, and just marinate that. Normally you should marinate for about maybe an hour if you can. So we're just gonna pop the fish head into here, and then just get that stock and wash that in there. And I'm gonna add a little bit more paste here. So probably about maybe half a cup, and then pop the lid on and let that slowly simmer. So I'm just gonna add some chili in there for a bit of spice, because this soup should be hot. And I'm also gonna take some green tomato that gives it a lot of fresh flavor. There we go. Cut in a little bit of ripe tomato as well. Gonna add a little bit of lemongrass as well, bit of a bruise. Also a little bit of salam leaf, and then a little bit of lime leaf in there. It's been cooking for about 20 minutes now. Add in some more green tomato. And we're gonna add in as well a little bit of ripe tomato. And add in a little bit of chili for a bit of color in there as well. Put that in. And then I'm gonna add in some lime juice. Just give it a bit of freshness as well. So let's just pop that in there. Now it's giving it a bit more of a season. Salt, a little bit of pepper, because Balinese love the pepper. It's one of their signature spices as well. So a little bit more tamarind in there. You can really smell those flavors coming through. You can smell the kenchur. It's good. Here we go. So let me just lift this fish head up. There we go. Let's hope it doesn't fall apart. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Put a little bit of lemongrass on there. A little bit of a taste in there. Oh, that bumbu gede is good. Oh, it's spicy too. God. And then I'm going to put a little bit of lime on the side again. My Balinese fish head soup. If you want to get all these great recipes, go on to Street Food Chef YouTube channel and you can download all of them. Go on, give it a go, because let me tell you, you'll love it.